Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best public transportation app in Luxembourg. Luxembourg public transportation is absolutely free, but how you track the specific public transportation and which application is needed to download on your mobile, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google Luxembourg public transportation app and look at this. The application name is the Mobiliteit.lu. Pronunciation is not correct, but Mobiliteit.lu, the application name. Application available on App Store and iOS Store also. So now we'll start as a how to download and how to use on mobile screen. So I will show you this demonstration on my iPhone. So this is my mobile. I just simply open here App Store and type here Mobiliteit Mobiliteit.lu. The application is coming here. First application rate is very high because of every Luxembourgish people are install this application and use. After install, you just simply open and say okay, allow, skip, and now you just simply start your particular location, central to airport, Luxembourg airport. So look at this. Now I just simply search here how many public transportation I can take and very easily reach on Luxembourg airport. So look at this here. Some of the public transportation is coming. One of my favorite is 29 number bus. If you are in central train station, so directly front of the train station, 29 bus directly dropping you on airport, and second number bus is from Hamelius, like a 16 number bus or 6 number bus. Two buses come available from Hamelius tram station, but central train station available on 29 bus, and that accuracy is absolutely correct, not missing the time and second also. So this application are providing you such kind of information. You can search of your current location and where you are going. You can search here as accordingly time, depend upon the time, like suppose 9 o'clock, how many transportation are available. So look at this here. The public transportation are showing here. Look at this. After 9, the bus 2 to 3 also available from this central train station, and you can take this one and reach very easily. So that one is really amazing. Here transportation is coming here. Cycles also you can use, and here private taxi related options also showing how much money they are taking and what is the process and all. So this is one of the best application if you are living in Luxembourg or if you are traveling in Luxembourg, so you can download and focus properly on public transportation. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.